we normally refer to this program as the CSI program, the Community Safety Program. And that is a program that was started by me within the first 100 days of being elected to this office. And the program is designed to address the issue of what we call recidivism. Recidivism is where people commit crimes over and over. And so to address the issue of recidivism, we have partnerships with agencies in the community. One of the partnerships that we have is a partnership with Spindletop Center. The Spindletop Center is a local mental health services program. And you don't have to be insane or incompetent to participate in the program. You may have issues. It could either be post-traumatic stress, it could be paranoid schizophrenia, it could be bipolar, it could be depression, it could be anxiety, or it could be a whole host of other mental issues. And what Spindletop does, or what Spindletop will do, we have individuals in court, they can provide counseling. First of all, they would do an interview, private interview. And then once they do an interview, they can do an assessment. And once they do an assessment, then they can develop a treatment plan, either outpatient or inpatient treatment plan to address your mental health needs. If you have an issue with either drugs or alcohol, Spindletop has a program that is called ATAR, stands for Addiction, Treatment, and Recovery. And also we have a partnership with the Alcohol Drug Abuse Council. They have a program that's called OZAR, which stands for Outreach, Screening, and Assessment Referral. And both of these programs are programs to address individuals who have problems with drugs or alcohol And what will happen is they will do an interview, they can do a screening, an assessment, and then they can develop a treatment plan, either outpatient, or they can recommend either outpatient or inpatient treatment to address your drug or alcohol needs. If you are unemployed or you're looking for a better job, we have a partnership with the Golden Triangle Empowerment Center, who has a partnership with Lamar University. And Lamar University has a program that is called CICE. CICE stands for Center for Innovation, Commercialization, and Entrepreneurship. It is a job training and a job placement program in the hotel industry, the shipping industry, or the chemical industry. Once you're trained in one of the areas that you select, then they will assist you at getting a job in the area that you are trained in. If you have not graduated from high school and you would like to get your GED, then they have a program as well. They have a GED program. Now, all of the programs that I've just mentioned, that is the program, the mental health treatment program, the drug and alcohol treatment program, the job training program, the job placement program, and the GED program, all of those programs can be used as community service toward your punishment. And to let me explain to you, the phrase I always use is killing 3 birds with 1 stone. And what I mean by that is, you're doing one thing, but you're getting credit for 3 things. So, for example, if you was ordered to pay a fine in court costs and you're unable to pay the fine in court costs, that's one thing. We can convert it to community service. That's the second thing. And if you're in one of the programs, let's say you're addressing a mental health need or drug and alcohol need or job training, or you're in a GED class, while you're in any one of those programs, you're going to be getting credit for that as well. So you're going to be You're going to be getting community service hours. You're going to be paying your fine and court costs, and plus you're going to be in one of the programs. That's three things, but you're doing one thing, but you're getting credit for three things. And so if you're interested in any one of those programs, just let the staff here know, and we'll be able to direct you to the right place so that you can address whatever needs that you need to address. Now, we have some individuals here in court. They're sitting in the jury box. They're with Spindletop. And we're going to have Deputy Hinton, who is our mental health officer. He's going to come forward and just tell you a little bit about the program that they have at Spindletop. At this time, I'll present to you Deputy Hinton.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Good morning. Judge, my name is Steve Hinton. I'm a mental health deputy licensed out of the state of Texas. I'm commissioned by the Jefferson County Sheriff's Office. I'm here with Sarah. She's a representative of Spindletop. She is a qualified mental health professional. The reason both of us are here together is because the judge cares about every single person that comes before his bench. What the judge has found, more so than not, people who appear before his bench commonly have mental health or substance use disorders. The judge believes if he can help you with these underlying issues, he can get you out of the cycle of arrest. Now, maybe this is your first time to be here, maybe it's your 10th time to be here. There's still hope. Hope in the form of options, services, opportunities. There is a system in place that we have where we can help you, but it's going to take a bold step on your part because you're going to have to share that need with Sarah and I so that we can advocate on your behalf, so we can point you in the right direction, so we can get you into the services that best suit and fit your particular needs. But it's up to you. I want to give you this flyer before you leave here today as well. On the front, it tells you a little bit about what we do. On the other side, it has a 1-800 number. It's a crisis hotline. If you find yourself in an unsafe place, you can call that number and get help immediately. Now, maybe this doesn't apply to you. Maybe it applies to a family member or a friend that you know. We'd be glad to get this information through you to your friend and help advocate on their part as well, if that is something that you see the value in. As the court goes into recess, we're going to be visiting with each one of you individually. Your information is private, it's HIPAA regulated. Therefore, we will not speak of your information or tell of it outside your permission. But we would like to visit with you. We can also have a private meeting in the back. Sarah will be glad to go back there and speak with you one-on-one to give you direct guidance and kind of explore some opportunities and resources that would be best suited for you. We also have a page of paper that's, if you'll put your name and information on there, and there's a box that you can check that we can provide resources at a later time. Maybe you're not comfortable speaking in this type of environment. I understand that. I get that. We will call you. We will follow up with you, and we will get you the resources, whatever it needs to help you. Our goal and objective is to help you again get out of the cycle of arrest. But we couldn't be here if it wasn't for the Sheriff's Department allowing us to be here and for the judge giving us the opportunity to be in his courtroom. As we go into recess, we'll start to visit with you at that time. Thank you for your time. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you, Deputy Hinton. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the paperwork that you have on the clipboard, if you need some assistance, we have court staff here that can assist you with completing that paperwork. And the other thing is, it's going to take us, they're going to come by and pick the paperwork up. And so it's going to take us some time to go through it. And so just be patient with us. And until that happens, until we finish with everybody, we're going to be in a recess. Okay.